In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Burglin Gnomes game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And once you have been taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. And now just type in Burglin Gnomes to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and you will end up within the game page. Here you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. If you scroll down, you can find the Add to Cart button, as well as the different bundles or edition. Click on whichever version you would like to purchase, and then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, which you can save for later use as well. Once you have completed your transaction, the game will be available within your library, and from there you can choose your install location to complete the download and installation of the game. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Burglin Gnomes game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Burglin Gnomes on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.